Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover Mana token, okay, Decentraland, and we can see that Mana coin, it had this big drop to $1.70, and I told you that we had this support levels at these $1. 58 is the strongest support level for Mana token, okay? And you can see we did have a bit of a relief rally, I would say, to the upside, and the price has been coming up. It's up about 8%. Okay, if you go to the lower time frames, you can see that we came down. Okay, look at this. We broke this major support. We came down, made a W bottom. Okay, and this was the resistance. Okay, so usually the target levels for these W bottoms, you could just judge them like that, like that, and then have this resistance in place, and just see what the price target is. It's actually right over here, okay, where this resistance is. Okay, so that's $2 and 49 cents around there, but that all depends if it's gonna get there because we have this major resistance right over here. Okay, and I can see some patterns for Mana token. Let me show you. Um, if you go to the daily time frame and you just zoom out, so this resistance line now that used to be support is it's a very significant line. Okay, if we break this, get on top of it, that's going to be bullish for Mana token. The reason I say that because I see this pattern coming into play right now. Okay, you can see what's going on now in a bit. Let's go to the 4 hourly actually. Okay. Yeah, 4 hourly looks better. So you can see what's going on with Mana now. Okay, the reason it fell all the way to $1 and what is this 72 is because we had some support coming from here. Okay, and it's trying to make this kind of pattern. What I see. Okay, let me show you. It's trying to make this pattern. Okay, it's a very ugly pattern, but this is what it's trying to make. Okay, like a left shoulder, right shoulder, and this is the head. Okay, I mean sometimes head and shoulder, bearish head and shoulder patterns can be ugly, but trust me, this is what it's looking out to be. And you can see it broke out. Now it's trying to get back up. If you break this resistance, okay, look at this. Okay, so because we have major resistance at this area, right over here, right over here, right over here. Okay, as soon as we broke this, the price went to the upside. Okay, so this should tell you the story, how important this area is. So if we break this, we can come up. We have invalidated this pattern, the bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and then we can rally to the upside. Okay, but if it does this, uh, if it plays in this manner, touches right over there and comes down, okay, then expect this pattern is being formed, okay, but it's not valid until you break this neckline, okay. So keep that in mind. This is the neckline, and as soon as it breaks this neckline, then there is a technical target to the downside. But overall, if you look at the Mana token, okay, you can see we have this support line for Mana. Okay, so it has never broken this support line. Okay, so even if it creates this pattern, it has to break this support line. Okay, the support trend line is a very important trend line for Mana, even if you judge this move. Okay, right over there, and let's say the breakout is right from there, the price is breaking this trend line. So I mean, you can say that it might just hold this bearish pattern and maybe move to the upside, because even if you look over here, okay, we have support here, we had support here. As soon as it broke it, you can see we rallied to the upside, and then we can have this support here. So watch out for this level, and I already gave you this level. It was at $1.58 cents. Okay, so if Mana token can hold this level, then expect a run very similar to this. Okay, comes here, takes a bounce. Okay, so this is going to be very beautiful if mana does this and holds this support level. But at the moment, in the lower time frames, I already gave you this target where it created this kind of pattern. You could also see this as a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you. Okay, look at this. Okay, this pattern, and then it add a technical target to the upside. So you could also see this, and you can see it's exactly coming to $2.53. Okay, so and you could also look at this as this uh, ascending triangle formation, and let's see where that target is. Sorry. So target for this is a little bit above, but I would say this pattern is making more sense. Okay, the inverse head and shoulder pattern. But yeah, guys, this is it for mana token. Hopefully this brought you some information and insight for the token, and just keep an eye on this very important trend line for mana. Okay, this trend line is very significant line for mana, and if it can hold this level, then that should give you an indication. And what is the indication? Look for reversal patterns that it's going to make here, like it did here. Okay, I'll give you one quick example. Look, it came here, okay, at this support line. It made this lower high structure. Okay, lower high, this was a reversal pattern. As soon as it broke out, it went to the upside. It broke this level as well. Okay, then it broke this level. So these are indications. Okay, even over here, I can give you really quickly these indications. So when it came here, what did it do? It made this. Again, it made this lower high structure. You can clearly see this lower high structure being made in an ascending triangle formation. And then as soon as it broke out, and look for volume as well. Okay, so volume wasn't as high, but as soon as it broke out, look at this. Okay, the volume started coming in. So this is your indication. And let's go over here. Okay, you can clearly see volume was in there, accumulation was being done. As soon as it broke out, you have to look for this giant volume, okay, that comes in, and then it goes to the upside. So you can see volume is not here right now. As soon as it's going to come closer to this level, and the breakout happens, a reversal pattern coming close to the support line, a reversal pattern being formed, and then a volume candle. Okay, that's your indication that a reversal is going to take place. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Kindly share my videos. I'm trying to achieve 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, and I would really appreciate your help. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.